In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Pipedrive deal cards. Customizing your deal cards can provide you a clearer, more efficient overview of your sales pipeline, allowing you to focus on the critical information that drives decision-making. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, we'll start by navigating to Pipedrive's website. Once you're inside your account, it's time to head over to the Pipeline section. This is where all your deals are neatly organized, providing you with a comprehensive view of your business transactions. On your dashboard, you'll find a menu option labeled Pipeline. By clicking on this, you'll enter the Deals section, which is our focal point for making customizations today. Here, you should notice a drop-down menu conveniently accessible by clicking on the Pipeline label. This drop-down menu provides various options related to your deals. Our next step is to select Customize Deal Cards from this menu. This selection is crucial as it allows us to modify both the layout and the information displayed on your deal cards. Now, the fun part begins: choosing the fields that you wish to display. Pipedrive offers an array of different fields related to your deals. These include the deal name, the deal value, and more. Your task is to choose the fields most relevant to your business needs. Consider which pieces of information are critical for quick, actionable insights, and prioritize those in your view. Once you've tailored the selection to your business preferences, it's time to focus on the fields within the Deals section. These are the details that can enhance your understanding of each deal. Select the fields that are most pertinent, and then proceed to customize fields related to people. This section lets you decide on the information displayed about the individuals associated with each deal. Fields such as contact details can be crucial for maintaining effective communication, so make these a priority if ongoing interaction is essential to your business processes. In the same vein, adjust the fields displayed for organizations. Tailor these based on the specific requirements of your organization to streamline how you review organizational data within your pipeline. By setting up these preferences, you create a custom dashboard that caters specifically to your strategic goals and operational needs. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, don't forget to save your changes. Once you've finalized your selections and adjustments, locate the Save button at the bottom of the customization panel and click it. This step is essential as it ensures all the modifications you've made are stored and will be reflected on your deal cards going forward, providing you with a personalized and efficient view each time you log into Pipedrive. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Pipedrive deal cards, enhancing your visibility and control over your sales activities.